One of my most sacred memories of the many, many I have at Unity Bay Area, Houston, was the first Easter sunrise service after arriving at this ministry. We didn't have the labyrinth yet, but we had the beautiful meditation garden and the pond. And it was a misty, foggy morning on Easter morning. And as I drove through the fog, I prayed that there would be a breakthrough in the midst of the service, if not by the beginning of it. We had to keep wiping the seats down so they weren't wet from the fog and the mist. And of course, we have a woods next to us and the pond behind us and the meditation garden. We now have expanded with the labyrinth where we'll offer our sunrise service on this coming Easter morning. And whether the light breaks through in the way that it did that first Easter morning at Unity Bay Area, Houston for me, it was such a magical, mystical experience. And yet what I know is the magic and the mystery and the wonder of this Easter season is alive in each one of us. As we open to the experience of how that light breaks through. In our sunrise service at 7 a.m., we'll be sharing that experience again, however that transpires on that Sunday morning. We also know that not only does the light break through, but we rise as a Christ consciousness. Our beloved wayshower and teacher, I love this particular photo, or actually art piece, of Jesus holding the precious lamb. That every single one of us is precious in the truth of who we are as a Christ being. And as we rise as the Christ that we are, we remember that we are here to resurrect our own lives in ways of power and significance, and yet in humility. We are celebrated this Easter at our Sunday celebration service at 10:30 a.m. as we learn what it means to rise as. We also are celebrated with an Easter egg hunt following the service. And prior to that, between the sunrise service at 7 a.m. and our 10:30, we have a wonderful pancake breakfast. So we hope you'll come for an opportunity to feel this kind of love in the truth of your being, and as we share in this sacred holiday with one another. God bless you, friends. Join us 10:30 a.m. or 7 a.m. for youth and Sunday celebration, and for the children's ministry, and for all the festivities of Easter. Love you. Can't wait to see you.